Hi, my name is Karla Mansur. I'm a divorce and family law attorney in Concord, Massachusetts. Today I want to talk to you about alimony and how we figure out what the right amount of alimony is. The alimony statute from 2012 says that alimony should be based on the need of one party and the ability of the other party to pay, or 30 to 35% of the difference of the party's incomes. The 30 to 35% of the difference of the party's incomes analysis has changed significantly since 2018 with the tax code changes, which made alimony not deductible from the payor's income and includable in the recipient's income. So those percentages have been adjusted to somewhere between 18 to 28% to account for that fact. There's no statute outlining that, but that is how it's being handled in the courts. But to establish the need, what do we look at? Because it's not an automatic percentage thing, although in a lot of circumstances, judges like ordinary people like mathematical certainty, so they kind of do stick to these percentages. But the basis of the alimony statute is the need. So how do you establish the need? So in a lot of circumstances, we're doing what we call the lifestyle analysis. So that's something your attorney could do, but also sometimes potentially that we hire experts to do. Those are usually more prevalent in the high asset divorce cases where a spouse is earning, millions of dollars. But what we'll do is we'll look at the spending over the last 3 years and say, okay, well, this is the average for the vacations. This is the average for eating out, cars, clothing, that sort of thing, to try to set out for the court, well, what was the marital lifestyle actually like? And a lot of people smartly choose to save their income, when they're at that kind of level, or invest it so it earns more money. I mean, it's a great idea, but also that savings should be considered as part of the lifestyle analysis. That's what the case law tells us now. So a lot of times we'll work with an expert to try to figure that out and establish what that need is.